These animals are way smarter than you think. And number 3 will blow your mind. Did you know some animals can outsmart humans? Get ready for the top 5 genius creatures that'll make your jaw drop. First up, crows, the puzzle masters of the animal kingdom. These black-feathered geniuses can solve complex problems faster than a 5-year-old human. Crows remember faces for years and can hold grudges. Mess with a crow, and it might plot revenge. Next, meet the emotional geniuses, elephants. These gentle giants have memories that put ours to shame. Elephant recognizing itself in mirror text. Self-aware, here's the kicker. Elephants mourn their dead, just like us. They've been seen returning to elephant graveyards year after year. Now, prepare to have your mind blown by ... octopuses. These boneless wonders are the hoodiness of the sea. Octopus unscrewing jar lid. Scientists can't keep them contained. They escape tanks, change colors, and solve puzzles in seconds. How's that for an animal with no spine? Think your dog is just a cute face? Think again. Dogs are basically furry mind readers. They can understand over 100 words, read human emotions, and even detect diseases before doctors can. Who's a good boy? A genius boy. Last but not least, parrots. These colorful chatterboxes aren't just mimicking sounds. Some parrots, like the African gray, can learn over 100 words and actually understand their meaning. They can answer questions and hold conversations. Which animal shocked you the most? From problem-solving crows to empathetic elephants, these animals prove intelligence comes in all shapes and sizes. Next time you see one of these creatures, remember, they might be smarter than you think. Let us know in the comments which animal blew your mind. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-boggling animal facts.